I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming essentials: your Snapchat username and the 8-digit recovery code you saved when enabling two-factor recovery. Open the Snapchat app now and tap Login. Once done, choose Forgot Password or Use Recovery Code depending on your screen. You need a stable connection because Snapchat validates the code immediately. Make sure your device time is accurate, otherwise validation can fail. If you don't see the recovery option, you may need to update the app or restart it before proceeding. You now enter the recovery code step by step. Tap the field labeled recovery code and type all 8 digits exactly, because small mistakes like 1 versus 7 will cause failure. Once entered, press confirm. Snapchat will contact its servers to verify the code and your account link. While waiting, avoid navigating away or switching networks. If verification succeeds, Snapchat prompts you to create a new password or re-enable two-factor authentication, so follow those prompts to restore secure access to your account. Complete the process by choosing a new strong password and re-enabling two-step verification for future safety. Once you regain access, Snapchat often displays a new recovery code. Save or print it and store it offline. If the recovery code fails, first ensure your device clock is set to automatic time, then update the app and try again. If it still fails, use the linked phone or email recovery option as a fallback, or contact Snapchat support with account details. Keep your troubleshooting calm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.